Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice. Writing can be a touchstone in our lives, a touchstone in your life, a place you come back to daily, a home within you, a sanctuary, a silence, a moment of stillness where you can dream, where you get to reflect upon the storm, the ups and downs of your life. Writing can be a time when you are present with yourself and with one thing, one memory, one idea, one struggle, one healing after another. The poet Charles Simic writes, "We name one thing and then another. That is how time enters poetry. Space, on the other hand, comes into being through the attention we pay to each word. The more intense our attention, the more space. And there is a lot of space inside words. Indeed, there is a lot of space inside words, and there is a lot of space inside us. Through our devotion, we create that time and space for ourselves. And in the practice of writing, we create this time and space. We can. It isn't the product. It isn't the physical objects we make, the stories, the poems. It's not this in our writing that is the ultimate gift of our devotion. The ultimate gift is the vastness, the stillness, the joy, the abundance, the presence that is created when we attend to the moment before us, the moment becoming through us. You do this, you devote yourself to sitting and writing for just a few minutes each day. You develop this habit, make it a part of your life, and it will reward you richly. Your writing time will become a time that you look forward to, that you begin to crave even. For it will be that space, that time, that sacred, that time that the sacred occurs in you and begins to ever widen and to beautify your life. So, here's a prompt today. What is abundant in your life? I want you to take just a few minutes to sit and breathe deeply. And in your mind, either create the abundance, or better yet, in your heart, feel the abundance, feel abundance. And just for a few minutes, let that grow if you can. Nurture that for a moment. And then, after a few minutes, begin to write about what is abundant in your life. Thank you very much for watching. If there's any way that I could help you cultivate your writing practice, please drop me a comment, send me a note. Also, you could visit devotiontowriting.com, and at that website you can find out about upcoming workshops that I lead. I do online, in-person workshops. I also lead writers' retreats and curate writing residencies. So many opportunities for you to cultivate your writing practice. And of course, you could subscribe to this channel. I post 3 or 4 times a week, another short video, some bit of information, tips perhaps, sometimes advice, really just borrowed from my own writing practice and what has helped me cultivate a devoted writing practice and realize my own creative abundance. So thank you for watching. I hope you write today. I know that if you do write, you will write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are. Blessings.